Welcome back, house hunters. Are you dreaming of owning a beautiful country property in France without spending a fortune? Then stay tuned, because that's exactly what we're exploring today. I've found 10 affordable countryside homes across France offering charm, character, and incredible value. Most of these properties are move-in ready, while a few may need a little updating, but nothing overwhelming. Moving to the French countryside isn't just about buying a home. It's about embracing a slower pace of life. Think weekly village markets, fresh local produce, long countryside walks, friendly neighbors, and a real sense of community. Many rural areas still offer cafes, bakeries, and essential shops within walking distance, while larger towns and transport links are often just a short drive away. Most of the properties we're featuring today are under $100,000, with just a few slightly above the mark, proving that you really can find an incredible countryside retreat in France without breaking the bank. Our first property takes us over to Juvigny-Val-d'Andaine in the Orne department of Lower Normandy, a peaceful rural area known for rolling green countryside, forestry, and easy access to local amenities in nearby towns like Domfront and Porey. This charming house is listed at €81,300, making it a very appealing option for buyers looking for a French country home without the high cost often associated with rural properties in France. At about 55 meters squared of living space, this property has a thoughtful layout that makes the most of its size. On the ground floor, you'll find a bright and inviting living room with a wood-burning stove, a kitchen, and a bathroom with a walk-in shower. Upstairs, there's a cozy bedroom, perfect as a main living space or a comfortable holiday retreat. One of the real highlights of this home is its outdoor space. The property sits on a generous 862 meters squared plot stocked with greenery and nature all around, creating a peaceful setting right outside your door. There's even an outbuilding and a traditional bread oven, which adds character and opens up possibilities for storage, garden projects, or creative outdoor living space. A garage is also included, a valuable bonus in rural France for storing tools, bikes, or vehicles. The combination of house, land, and outbuildings makes this a versatile investment whether you're seeking a permanent residence, a weekend escape, or a holiday rental opportunity. Next up, we are close by in a charming stone house in Champsecret, a rural village in the Orne department of Lower Normandy. This property is priced at €88,300, which is excellent value considering what you're getting. About 66 meters squared of living space on a 600 meters squared plot of land in a quiet location less than 10 minutes from Domfront and Porey, a town with shops, services, and schools. Inside, the layout is functional and welcoming. On the ground floor, you'll find a living room with a fireplace, a kitchen, a bathroom, and a boiler utility room. Upstairs, there's a landing that leads to 2 bedrooms, an office or dressing area, and a separate toilet, giving you flexibility in how you use the space. Outside, there's a courtyard with a garden shed, perfect for gardening, outdoor seating, or as a storage space. The southwest-facing position and exposure make the outdoor areas bright and pleasant. Champsecret is a lovely rural commune in Normandy, Maine Regional Natural Park, surrounded by forests, walking trails, and peaceful landscapes, all part of what makes this region appealing for buyers who want quiet country living with access to local amenities, history, and nature. If you're enjoying the video, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and like. It really does help the content reach more people. And now back to the video. The next property takes us to Saint Claude in the beautiful Charente region of southwest France, an area known for sunflower fields, gentle rolling countryside, and peaceful village life. Priced at €85,500, this is a substantial 3-bedroom stone cottage offering around 150 meters squared of living space, and it immediately stands out for its authentic French character and generous proportions. From the outside, the home has that classic countryside charm, traditional stone walls, simple rural architecture, and a welcoming presence that feels both rustic and timeless. Step inside and you're greeted by a spacious main living area where exposed stone walls and wooden beams create warmth and texture throughout the space. The wood-burning stove becomes a natural focal point, You can easily imagine cozy evenings here during the cooler months, with thick stone walls keeping the house insulated and comfortable. The kitchen is generously sized and full of potential, large enough to function as a true farmhouse kitchen with space for a dining table, storage, and entertaining. It feels like the heart of the home, perfect for long, relaxed meals with friends and family. Upstairs, the layout offers three well proportioned bedrooms, giving flexibility for family living, guest rooms, or even a home office. The addition of a mezzanine level adds architectural interest and can serve as a reading nook, studio space, or extra sleeping area. With two bathrooms, the property is already well configured for either full time living or holiday rentals. One of the most exciting aspects is the adjoining former house, which offers real potential. This could be converted into a gîte for rental income, separate guest accommodation, or even expanded living space, subject to the usual permissions. That kind of flexibility is rare at this price point. Outside, the 669 meters squared plot provides manageable yet meaningful amount of land. There's room for a garden, outdoor dining, perhaps even a small vegetable patch, enough to enjoy the countryside without being overwhelmed by maintenance. Our next property brings us to the Dordogne region of Aquitaine, right in the heart of rural southwest France, an area known for its rolling countryside, historic villages, and classic stone homes. This charming property in Guillac-des-Cercles is listed at €98,550, and it's a great example of the type of value you can find in French countryside real estate. Spanning approximately 157 meters squared of living space with 5 bedrooms spread over 2 floors, this home has a layout that's both comfortable and versatile, perfect for family living, guest accommodation, or creating a multi-use space. Step inside and you'll find a welcoming living room with a fireplace, ideal for cozy evenings and year-round comfort, alongside a separate kitchen with pantry space. There's also a shower room on the ground floor, while upstairs leads you to 5 generously sized bedrooms and a second shower room. But one of the most exciting features of this property isn't just the house itself, it's the outbuildings and land that come with it. There's a large adjoining barn of around 108 meters squared, giving you fantastic potential to expand the home, add rental units, or create workshops or storage space. On the garden side, another 100 meters squared barn currently used as a garage and workshop offers even more versatility for projects and practical use. The house sits on a pleasant wooded plot of about 1,721 meters squared, giving you space for gardening, outdoor dining, or simply enjoying the peace of rural France. Located near the beautiful town of Brantôme, often called the Venice of Périgord for its canals and riverside charm, this property gives you country peace while still being close to local cafes, markets, and village life. Next, we're heading to Champsecret in the Nièvre department of Burgundy, a peaceful rural region known for its rolling countryside, canals, farmland, and relaxed pace of life. The property is listed at €87,000 and it offers a well-balanced countryside package with a house, usable land, and practical outbuildings, all at an approachable price point for Burgundy. The house itself provides 74 meters squared of living space, making it manageable, easy to maintain, and ideal as either a full-time residence or a lock-up-and-leave holiday home. Inside, the layout is functional and welcoming. The kitchen area is practical and ready to use, while still offering room for light cosmetic updates if you wanted to modernize over time. The bedrooms are bright and well proportioned for a home of this size, making it suitable for a couple, small family, or visiting guests. Outside, the property sits on an 870 meters squared plot, which is very manageable in size, large enough to enjoy outdoor living, create a garden, or add a vegetable patch, but not so large that maintenance becomes overwhelming. It's a great balance for buyers who want space without committing to hectares of land. Next up, we're in Saint-Honoré-les-Bains, a charming spa town also in the Nièvre department of Burgundy. The property is listed at €109,500 and it's a ready-to-renovate home with around 90 meters squared of living space, a fantastic entry point into the French countryside market, especially in a town with unique character and authentic local life. Stepping inside, you immediately feel the traditional layout. The living spaces are generous and straightforward, with plenty of room to redesign according to your tastes. The property includes multiple rooms that can be adapted into living areas, bedrooms, or home office space. One of the great features here is that the home already has a solid structural footprint. You're not starting from ruins, you're starting from possibility. With some renovation work, this house can be transformed into a comfortable family home, a holiday retreat, or even a rental property for visitors to this spa town. Outside, there's a garden area and courtyard space, offering room for outdoor living, gardening, or simply enjoying the quiet village environment. It's enough land to make the home feel open, but not so much that maintenance becomes overwhelming. Next up, we're in Saint-Agnan, a quiet village in the Nièvre department of Burgundy, and the last one we'll look at in this area today. This home is listed at €82,000, and it offers a really compelling blend of affordability, character, and space, perfect for buyers dreaming of countryside living without spending a fortune. At around 110 meters squared of living space, this property feels surprisingly generous inside for the price. As you step through the door, you're greeted by spaces that have been thoughtfully arranged and ready for renovation, giving you a blank canvas to customize according to your tastes. The ground floor includes a generous living room with a cozy fireplace, a dining kitchen area, providing a nice flow for everyday living. There's plenty of potential here to create a warm, open space for cooking, entertaining, and relaxing. Upstairs, you'll find 2 bedrooms, both bright and ready to be refreshed, along with a bathroom. These rooms have a nice sense of proportion, big enough to be comfortable, yet not so large that heating and upkeep become difficult. One of the biggest advantages of this property is its outdoor space, a courtyard and garden area that give you room to enjoy the fresh air, grow vegetables, or create outdoor seating areas. The home also includes practical features like a covered space for tools or storage and an attached barn area, which could be used for parking, a workshop, or even a future renovation project subject to local permissions. Our next property takes us to Rabastens de Bigorre, a charming town in the Hautes Pyrenees region of Occitanie, a picturesque part of southwestern France known for its Pyrenees mountain views, rolling countryside, and laid-back village lifestyle. The home is listed at €105,000, offering an affordable entry point into French real estate with excellent space and versatility. The main house provides approximately 187 meters squared of living space, including a spacious living area, kitchen, and several rooms that can be used as bedrooms, offices, or hobby spaces. What really sets this property apart is that it all comes with a separate studio, perfect for guests, rental income, or as a private home office. This makes it highly versatile, ideal for families, investors, or anyone wanting extra space. Inside, the layout is flexible and ready for renovation, giving you the chance to create open living areas, cozy bedrooms, or modern finishes while preserving the traditional charm of the house. Large windows and high ceilings provide natural light and a sense of openness throughout. Outside, there's a garden space perfect for outdoor dining, relaxing, or small-scale gardening. The combination of the main house, the studio, and usable outdoor space makes this property feel larger than it is, providing privacy, flexibility, and room to enjoy rural living. Next, we're in Ros-Minervois, a charming village in the Aude department of Occitanie, surrounded by vineyards, historic streets, and the scenic Canal du Midi, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The village offers a peaceful lifestyle with authentic French charm while still being well connected to larger towns and the surrounding countryside. The home is listed at €113,000 and provides approximately 130 meters squared of living space, spread across multiple floors, making it one of the more spacious village properties you'll find in this region. As you enter, you're greeted by a generous living area with high ceilings and large windows, letting in plenty of natural light. The main floor flows seamlessly into the kitchen and dining area, which could easily be opened up or modernized to create a contemporary open-plan layout while keeping the home's traditional character. Original stone walls and wooden beams add plenty of rustic charm. The property includes multiple bedrooms and versatile rooms spread across its floors, offering ample space for a family, guests, or even a home office setup. Each room is well proportioned, giving you the flexibility to design layouts that suit your lifestyle. The property also offers storage areas and potential for creative renovation, giving you the chance to add modern bathrooms, a stylish kitchen, or even an additional living area, all while maintaining the authentic charm of a traditional French village house. Next, we're in Bourg de Visa, a peaceful village in the Midi-Pyrénées region, surrounded by scenic countryside, rolling fields, and traditional southern French charm. This property is listed at €102,000 and offers approximately 56 meters squared of living space, making it a compact but well laid out home, ideal for first-time buyers, a holiday retreat, or a rental investment. Inside, the house is full of character and potential. The living area is bright and welcoming, with space for a cozy seating area and dining table. The kitchen can be modernized or personalized to suit your style, offering flexibility for open-plan living. Upstairs, the bedroom is comfortable and functional. The layout makes efficient use of space, giving you everything you need in a compact village home. There's also storage space, allowing for practicality without sacrificing comfort. One of the main highlights is the terrace, offering a small outdoor area perfect for morning coffee, relaxing evenings, or enjoying the peaceful village atmosphere. Even with a smaller footprint, this outdoor space adds a sense of openness and connection to the surroundings. The town itself is charming, with local shops, cafes, and markets all within easy walking distance. The village offers a tranquil lifestyle while still being within reach of nearby towns for additional amenities, services, and cultural experiences.